I'll have two number nines, a number nine large, a number six with extra six.
I'm very hungry.
That's kind of good. What do you like?
Give me the pizza.
What do you want on your pizza?
Eggs.
Okay, one egg pizza coming right up. I got it right in my hand for you. Have a nice day. Are you full, Pumpkin?
Give me the butter.
Wait, I think you are full.
Butter. Give me the butter.
Fine, but don't come crying to me when you didn't get the poops. Now where did I leave the butter? Here it is. Now it's time to feed that pumpkin. Here, are you full now?
Give me the soda.
Why this pumpkin it's not stop it.
That was fantastic. I'll be back in 10 minutes.
He better not come in 10 minutes. I must lock the doors.
Hungry, hungry, hungry.
I'm very hungry.
Oh my god. There's lots of hungry pumpkins. Stay away from me.